what Uyo typically look like on a regular evening. This is a Friday evening and this is what Uyo look like. So this is 4-lane traffic light. Right there we have 4 lanes. I'm heading towards Oron Road right now. Hello beautiful, how are you? Welcome to another vlog. In this particular vlog I am going to do something unusual. Yes, it's going to be something unusual, just like I said. I haven't done this in a while. Last time I did this was a long time ago. I'll be taking you through the streets of Uyo. I'm not going to say anything, just keep watching. If you want to invest in Uyo, look, let me tell you, the road network is amazing, so beautiful. All right, so come along with me and enjoy. So right now I'm on 4-lane. I'll just 4-lane traffic lights. I'll just show you what this place look like. If you're looking at investing in Uyo, if you're looking at relocating to Uyo, guys, I repeat, the road network is super amazing. All right, I have a few errands here and there, so I'll be taking you guys along with me. Okay, let's go. So this is 4-lane traffic light. Right there we have 4 lanes, 1, 2, 3. I'm heading towards Oron Road right now. All right. So I want to pick up a few medications at the pharmacy. Come along with me. Yeah. Good day. Hey ma'am, how are you? Welcome.
You're the one I want to. My liver start to fade.
So I'm out of the pharmacy. Let's get into a side street and get to Oron Road again. Let's go. We are out again to Oron Road. Oron Road is a major road in Uyo. So right now we just navigated into Nwanyiba. This is Nwanyiba Road. Apparently this is the longest street in Uyo. Anyway, the acclaimed longest streets in Uyo, or one of the longest streets in Uyo. This is one pharmacy that runs 24 hours in Uyo, one-stop pharmacy. Right now we are navigating into the famous Edet Akpan Avenue. This is Edet Akpan Avenue, also known as 4 lanes. It is being called 4 lanes because it has 4 lanes. This is the first at which we are driving, 1 to the right and 2 to the left.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home.
By now you would have noticed that Uyo is super clean and green. I need not say that anymore. The road network in Uyo is super amazing. It is top notch. There's literally nowhere you enter and you wouldn't have diverse roads to come out or connect back to the major road or something. So at this point we have gone through 4-lane, also known as Edetakpan Avenue, gone through Oron Road and gone through Nwanyiba and navigated back into Edetakpan Avenue, also called 4-lane. So those are the major roads in Uyo Metropolis. Are you still thinking of relocating to Uyo? Are you still thinking of doing business in Uyo? Are you still thinking of coming down here, relocating your family and building a home here? I must tell you, Uyo is a fast developing city. There are loads and loads of areas that are springing up. You can buy houses and lands at affordable prices. I'm going to link somebody on the screen. You can contact her for all your houses, all your lands. Like if you want to get into real estate is booming so much in Uyo. That's because it is fast developing. Next time I will be carrying you through a lot of more streets so that you will be convinced, not confused, that Uyo is that city you should think of relocating to and doing business here. All right, that being said, this is going to be the end of this video. Did I convince you? If I did not, let me know why I did not convince you, and I'll give you more reasons why you should relocate to Uyo, why you should do business in Uyo. All right, thank you so much for joining me all through this journey. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe. I'll be back with sights and sounds in Uyo. This is what Uyo typically look like on a regular evening. This is a Friday evening and this is what Uyo look like. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.